Hello and welcome to Easy Education. Today in this segment we will study about static GK, and in this segment we will study about our national flag, the full history of making our national flag, the significance of the flag, and everything related to our national flag and the previous year question also. Okay, then we will study about our national emblem, then national anthem, and about our national song. Okay, so this is our set 1. We will continue this series regularly. So let's see today's session. National flag, history of making our national flag. The Congress Working Committee appointed a 7 members flag committee on 4th July 1931. Okay, so first Congress Working Committee adopted a 7-member committee. Okay, and that committee was started on 4th July 1931. Okay, next, later the final resolution on a flag was first set when the Congress committee met at Karachi session in 1931. Okay, so the plan of making a flag, national flag, was adopted in a Congress Working Committee with a 7-member committee. Okay, and the resolution was first taken when in Karachi session 1931. Okay, next, the tricolor flag then adopted and designed by Pinkali Venkaiah. This is the most repeated question in competitive exam for your static GK. So the tricolor flag was adopted and designed by Mr. Pinkali Venkaiah, not Venkata. Okay. Next, the national flag of India was adopted in its present form during the ad hoc meeting of the Constitution Assembly, where on 22nd July 1947. Okay, so the present form of the national flag was adopted on 22nd July 1947. Next, see the design and symbolism of the national flag. So the national flag is horizontal tricolor of deep saffron at the top, white in the middle, and green at the bottom in equal proportion. We all know about the tricolor, yet I just give a brief description of that. Then in the center of the wheel of the white band is a navy blue wheel, and we should know that the wheel represents the charka. We know that we often see Gandhiji with the charka, right? So you should know also that. Then its design that the wheel which appears on the abacus of Sarnath lion, capital of Ashoka. So the design of wheel which appears on the abacus of Sarnath lion, capital of Ashoka. Okay, next, the 24 we see in the chakra or in the wheel, there are 24 spokes, and that represent 24 hours of the day. Okay, and it also implies that there is life in movement and death in stagnation. Okay, next, saffron. Now the saffron color stands for courage, sacrifice, renunciation. Okay, and white, what white symbolize for truth and purity. And what is the significance of green? Green symbolized life, abundance, and prosperity. Okay, now charka is a symbol of progress and movement. What I said, the opposite, that stagnation, right? Next, the official flag specification require that flag be made only of khadi. That is the material to make the national flag, that is khadi only. So the official flag specification that the national flag of India will made only of khadi cotton, right? Next, the format is 3:2. This is very repeated question, most important for your upcoming exam also. oftentimes you got the option 2:3, right? 3:2. But the correct option will always 3:2. It is rectangular in shape, and it's 2:3 is incorrect. Okay. Next, the now national emblem, national sign of India, you can say, right? So the emblem of India is an adaptation from Sarnath lion, capital of Ashoka. This is very, very important. Okay. So from where we took the national emblem of India? From Sarnath lion, capital of Ashoka. Okay. Now, forming an integral part of emblem, which is the motto inscribed below. So we see the behind the national anthem there was a motto that is written in Devanagari script, and that is Satyameva Jayate. Okay, and the English meaning is truth alone triumphs. That means truth always succeed. Okay, and this quote, where from we took this quote? This quote is taken from Mundaka Upanishad. This is from our Upanishad, and that is Mundak Upanishad, right? The concluding part of sacred Hindu Vedas, right? This is also most repeated question about the Mundak Upanishad, from where we took the motto. This is most repeated. And next, it was adopted as the national emblem of India on 26th January 1950, that day India became a republic. It's after the independence, in our Republic Day, we took this emblem. Okay. Next, now national anthem of India. Now we will know details about our national anthem. Okay. So our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana, written in Bengali, and it is the first of 5 stanzas of Brahmo hymns composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Next, it was sung at the Calcutta session of the Indian National Congress on 27th December 1911. Okay. So when it was first sung? It was first sung at Calcutta session of Indian National Congress on 27th December 1911. Okay. Next, Jana Gana Mana was officially adopted by the Constitution Assembly on 24th January 1950. Okay. And the complete song consists of of 5 stanzas. Okay. And the playing time of the full version of national anthem is approximately 52 seconds, and the short form of that national anthem we sing in 20 seconds. The short form is sing in 20 seconds, and the full anthem sung in 52 seconds. 52 seconds. Okay. And next, see, these all are very, very important points. Each and every point is very important. The song Jana Gana Mana was first published in January 1912 under the Bharat Vidhata title and in Tattavadhini Patrika, that is a magazine named Tattavadhini Patrika, edited by Tagore himself. The song translated into English by Tagore in 1919 under the title Morning Song of India. Then in 2005 there were calls to delete the word Sindh after the India partition and substitute it with the word Kashmir. But Supreme Court of India refused to temper with the national anthem, and the working remains unchanged. Next, about our national song. So Vande Mataram is our national song, and its English translation is bow to mother. That means bow to you, mother. Here thee means you. Okay. Is the national song of India. Next, it was composed by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in his book Anandamath in the year 1882. Okay. So this is also very repeated question. First of all, you should know who wrote our national song, and don't mingle with national song and national anthem. Jana Gana Man is our national anthem and Bande Mataram is our national song. Our national song is written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in 1882 and in his book Anandamath. Okay. Next, at that time it was sung at the Calcutta session of Indian National Congress in 1896. So the national song was first sung at the Kolkata session in 1896 and our national anthem first sung in 1911. That is also in Calcutta session, right? Next, the song Bande Mataram was composed by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay originally in Sanskrit and its English translation was rendered by Sri Aurobindo Ghosh. Okay. That's all for this segment. I will bring back a new session tomorrow. Till then, take care, stay well, do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Easy Education and press the bell icon for regular update. Thanks for watching the video.